Hello everyone. Today we are going to see on that IICS tutorial series. Okay. Here how we can do that schedule the particular mapping and also how we can do that email notification to our colleagues and team leader. Okay. For that first we can create one mapping. Okay. Here I am giving my mapping name, it is M underscore notification 1. This is my mapping name. Okay. Now take your source. Okay. Here I am taking my source, it is Oracle. Any of the data you can take it. Okay. For just for practicing purpose, just you take that any of that object and go to target. Okay. In the target also I am taking that Oracle database only. See here T underscore employees. Now go to field mapping and map the field. When we see here both are in that form of the same column it is present. So I done that smart map here. Save your mapping. Now instead of going to run here, just I am scheduling that the time for this mapping. Okay. For that we can create the task. Create the task here. Okay. Then change your mapping task name. I am giving that empty underscore notification 1. This is my task name and give the runtime environment. And also you want to select the respected mapping for that mapping task. Our mapping name it is M underscore notification 1. Okay. Now select that mapping here. Always keep remember that whenever you are creating the mapping task, the respected mapping you want to select it. Okay. Then move on to next. Here we are going to do that the run this task on scheduling time. Okay. Now go to new. Here scheduling name it is our object name it is employees. So I am giving that employees data. Okay. And here start time it is this time and I am scheduling it is at night time. Okay. 8:50 I make the scheduling time. Okay. 8:50 it is nothing but 20:50 here. Okay. Now click on OK. 8:50 p.m. Okay. And also before that you want to select your time zone. My time zone it is India time. You want to check it at where is India time it is presented standard 1. Now see here Indian standard time Bombay Delhi. Click on OK. It is already exit, so rename it. Okay. Rename the schedule name and click on OK. And also we can give that the custom email notification. Okay. Now just I am giving that mail it is Shobha Tech Learning @gmail.com. Okay. This one I am giving once we can success the mail. Okay. And if it is failure also I can get the mail. Please check that 1 or 2 times whether it is properly you are giving that mail ID or not. Once you are given, then click on OK. Okay. Now it is saved. Okay. It will start to run based on what we have given in the scheduling time. Okay. Now we have given our scheduling time it is 20:50. 20:50 means at 8:50 we can get the datas. Okay, it will start to run the mapping and we can get the datas. Now see here, we got one mail from the Informatica, okay, in that admin now. Now open this one. Now see here the mapping task KMT underscore notification 1, it is completed successfully, okay. And also you can get that whether the mapping it is getting the success, okay, and how many rows is processed also you can get it. 105 rows it is processed, okay. So this way we can do that mapping, okay, with notifications. In that upcoming session, we will discuss on that how we can do that post processing command, because in the last session we have discussed the pre processing command and how it is worked, okay. And we'll see in that upcoming sessions post processing command in mapping task. Thank you for watching. If this session is helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it, share it, like it.